Good morning to everyone. How are you? I hope all will be well. Today we are going to start chapter 5 division part 7. Today we will discuss about exercise 8. Your exercise 8 is solve the following word problem. Okay, in this exercise we will read about word problem. So let's start. First of all we will write question. A shopkeeper sold 5 bananas to each customer. How many customer visited his shop if he sold 25 bananas? First of all, we will make a statement. Yes, shopkeeper sold how many banana? Shopkeeper sold, yes, 5 bananas. Okay, to each customer. Next, he sold how many banana? He sold, yes, 25 bananas. अब number of customer visited his shop. यस बेटा, इन दिस क्वेश्चन से एक शॉपकीपर है वो सोल्ड करता है 5 बनाना टू ईच कस्टमर, हर वन कस्टमर को वो 5 बनाना बेचता है. अब लाइक हाउ मैनी कस्टमर विजिटेड हिज शॉप, उसकी शॉप पर कितने कस्टमर विजिटेड करके किए गए इफ ही सोल्ड 25 बनाना, अगर उसने 25 बनाना सोल्ड किए हैं, बेचे हैं. तो लाइक वी विल डू दैट टाइप. यस, we can do that type. 25 divided by 5, we will split table of 5, in which number we will get 25. 5 5s are, so 5 5s are. Okay, so now we can say how many customer. Listen, who will tell to me? कस्टमर कितने कस्टमर थे बेटा जो विजिट करके गए? कितने? 5. okay, 5 because each customer has 5 banana. So like this, if we speak 5 in the 5, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 55, 5 4 the 20, 5 5 the 25. So like this, every and each customer get 5 banana. तो okay, तो like this type कितने कस्टमर जो थे वो विजिट करके गए? 5. okay, now that second question is there are 24 flowers and 6 vases. How many flowers can be put equally into each vase? Okay, now first of all we will make a statement. There are banana, there are 24 flowers. Okay, and 6 vases. Next, flower can be put equally into each vase. Now first of all we will read again. There are 24 flowers and 6 vases. बेटा यहाँ पर हमारे पास 24 flowers and 6 vases है. अब how many flowers, हमें कितने flowers हैं जो can be put, हम रख सकते हैं इक्वली यानी बराबर बराबर into each vases. हर वन जो वैस है उसमें कितने फ्लावर हम बराबर बराबर रख सकते हैं, इक्वली रख सकते हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लिसन, वी कैन डू दैट टाइप. 24 डिवाइड बाय 6, वी विल स्पीक टेबल ऑफ 6. 6 1 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12, 6 3 जा 18 and 6 4 जा 24. Okay, 24. So now we can put equally 4 flower in each vases. Okay, so now question number 3. Yes, question number 3. Kunal has 81 strawberries. Okay, he puts 9 strawberries. He puts 9 strawberries on each plate. Now, how many plates will he need? First of all, we will make a statement. Kunal has how many strawberries? Kunal has 81 strawberries. Next, he puts 9 strawberries on each plate. Ab now he will need plate. He will need plates like 81 divided by 9. Okay, 9 जा 81. तो now he will need 9 plates. उसको कितने plates की जरूरत पड़ेगी? 9 की. Okay, that is our third question. Now we will do fourth. Question number 4. A teacher, 4. A teacher gave 64 books to some children. Each child got 4 books. How many children got the books? First of all, we will make a statement. Now, a teacher gave 64 books to some children. Now, each child got 4 books. each child got 4 books. Now children got the books. Yes beta listen, we will read again. A teacher gave 64 books. जो एक टीचर है वो 64 बुक्स देता है बेटा टू सम चिल्ड्रन, कुछ चिल्ड्रंस को, बच्चों को. Each child got 4 books. सपोज करो हर चाइल्ड को 4 बुक्स मिली हैं, तब हाउ मैनी चिल्ड्रन गॉट द बुक. ये अब आपको पूछ रहा है कि कितने चिल्ड्रन ने बुक्स गॉट की, कितने बच्चों को बुक्स मिली. तो हमने स्टेटमेंट बनाया, चिल्ड्रन गैव 64 बुक्स टू सम चिल्ड्रन. Each child got 4 books and children got the books same as it is, like this type, 64 divided by 4. Now if you don't do that type, so you can do that type. Okay, you can do both type division. Now again in 4 table 64 has come, no. So now in this condition we will take only that number. Now we will speak table of 4. In 4 table 6 has come, no. So we will take smallest number from this number. Okay, that type you can solve. Again start, like 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. 8 is bigger than from 6. We will take only 4 here and 1 ja. Okay, we will subtract 4 from 6. What will you get? 2. Now we will write 4 here. In 4 table 24 has come, yes. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20 and 4 6 ja 24. Which number get 24? 6 ja. What will you get? 24. After that we will subtract. Okay, that type you can do 4 question. Yes beta, you have to do all 1 to 4 question in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.